In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a Zendesk ticket. Managing customer support queries efficiently is vital for any business. Zendesk, a popular customer service platform, makes this task easier. However, sometimes a ticket may need to be forwarded to another agent or team member for better resolution. This tutorial will guide you through each step of forwarding a Zendesk ticket, ensuring that you provide the best support possible to your clients. First, let's start at the very beginning. You'll need to access Zendesk, open your favorite browser, navigate to the Zendesk website, and sign in. To do this, you simply click on the Sign In button not once but twice, making sure you're on the correct page for account access. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. After you've filled in your credentials, either hit Enter or click the Sign In button to proceed. Once you're successfully signed in and looking at the Zendesk dashboard, you'll need to locate the ticket you want to forward. If you're handling multiple tickets, make sure to carefully choose the correct one. Simply click on the ticket that needs attention. After selecting the ticket, it's time to decide who the ticket should be forwarded to. To do this, look for the Assignee drop-down menu. This can be found within the ticket details, usually near the top of the page. Clicking on this drop-down will present you with a list of agents or team members. Now you'll carefully choose the person or agent the ticket is being forwarded to. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that the ticket lands in the right hands for further action or resolution. Scroll through the list and select the appropriate assignee by clicking their name. Finally, it's time to submit the ticket as open. This means the ticket is still active and requires attention. Look for the Submit as Open button. This button is typically located near the bottom or side of the ticket window. Clicking this button will update the ticket status and notify the new assignee that a ticket has been forwarded to them. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully forwarded a Zendesk ticket to another member of your team or another agent. Remember, clear communication and prompt ticket resolution are key to maintaining high customer satisfaction levels. Forwarding tickets to the appropriate team members can help ensure that every customer query is resolved efficiently and accurately. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Whether you're new to Zendesk or looking to refine your customer support skills, mastering ticket forwarding is a valuable part of managing customer queries. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature in your support workflow.